All right, first graders, this is Scholastic Day 14. So we skipped 12 and 13 for now. So you did Bears, Scholastic 11, and now you're doing Scholastic 14, Tadpoles. Now, when I watched this Tadpoles video book series, I got excited about how similar everything was. So let me show you what I mean. Okay, so I got really excited because this fiction book, The Caterpillar and the Pollywog, is a fiction book because, the animals are talking and we know that's not real. However, it is kind of nonfiction-ish because something happens to the caterpillar that I know you know about, and something happens to the frog that I know you know about. And those are real things that happen. So I want you to watch that book, which is really interesting. And then I want you to read A Tadpole Grows Up. And I want you to think, what did I learn in both books about how a tadpole, or pollywog is another name for it, becomes a frog or a toad? So how does that happen? And then, look at this one. Then it says, from tadpole to frog, which is kind of the same as a tadpole grows up. So then you're going to watch the video and you're going to think, again, a lot of this information sounds the same. So in all three of these books, I'm learning the same thing, but maybe with a couple different words and in a couple different ways, but it's really going to solidify, it's really going to help me understand what happens to a tadpole as it grows up. So then, after you watch and read both of the books and then watch the video, I really want you to do one of the think sheets. So the options I'm having you do are fast facts. So give 3 facts, like first this happens, then this happens, then this happens. Or you can do 3 important words you learned. So maybe they're like 3 different things that happen as the tadpole grows up, okay? So I really want you to choose fast fact or 3 important words I heard as you're listening to the books and listening to the videos. Then this one says drawing activity as I grow up. So again, this is reminding me of what Mrs. G is having you practice, how we change as we grow up and how animals change as they grow up, because we're animals too. So frogs change a lot as they grow. Humans change as they grow too. Get a blank piece of paper. First, draw what you looked like as a baby. If you're not sure what you look like, ask an adult to show you one of your baby photos. Then, draw what you look like today. Finally, draw what you might look like as an adult. Use your imagination. Look at your mom and dad and think of as much detail as you can. You could even add, what job will I have? Where will I live? And draw the setting of yourself in that photo. So you'll have a baby picture of yourself drawn, a current photo, and then an adult photo. So you'll see how you change over time, just like the frog did, the pollywog did. Now you're not going to change as much as a pollywog. Our features aren't going to change like the frogs did, but we're going to grow and change just slightly, and instead of drastically like the animals did in these 2 books. But I want you to think about how we are similar and different to animals when we grow. So I'm going to turn the screen around. So as you watch and read that one, I'm interested to see the picture that you draw of yourself growing over time and thinking about how that relates to a frog. Okay, enjoy. Happy reading and science thinking.